Welcome back to my next tutorial. So in this tutorial we shall be developing an app from scratch. So we have seen some basic widgets so far. So with that idea, let's just dive into the process of creating simple apps using those widgets we have seen right now. Okay. So this is the first basic beginning of creating the app, which is nothing but we'll be wrapping all those knowledge on the basic widgets all together, and we shall be creating a simple app to have a complete overview idea of how the widgets and how the functionalities and all those stuffs. So let's get started. Okay. So before diving into the coding part, in this video we will be developing an app bar for that app, something like this. So nice, okay. So this is the app bar we are gonna describe in this video. Okay, so let's get started. So inside that stateful widget, let me return a new default tab controller, which is nothing but if you have seen the tabs inside that app bar. So for that we'll be using default tab controller. Okay, the default tab controller accepts the length. Let me give it as 3 tabs for now. Okay, it has a child as usual, which is the new scaffold itself. Okay, the new scaffold has the app bar. Okay, center tile is false. Center title is that I'm gonna give a text inside that app bar, so I don't want that text to be aligned center. Let me have it in the top left itself. For that I am giving it as false. If you want to have it in the center, you can give it as true, so it is just a boolean value, so you can give the value you want. Okay, after that let me give a title for the tab bar. This is the text you want to have for that app bar. Okay, let me give it as creations. Okay, as usual, if you want to have style for the text, you can by giving text style. Okay, I will be having a font size of say 35 and font weight, which is font weight dot bold. Okay, so after the font style, let's have an action, which is the widgets. Let me give it as icon button. Okay, icon button, which accepts the icon. Let me give the icon as icon of icons dot settings. Okay, icons dot settings. So if you want to give color for that icon, you can by giving color property color, which accepts the colors dot white. So I am not going to give any on press for that icon now. Okay, so we have just created an app bar with the title, VJ creations, and icon on the top right corner, which is the settings icon. Okay, Once you are done with that, you can end the widget here. So you have to have semicolon. Okay. Once you end the widget, you will be going for something like flexible space, which is the container that with the decoration. Let me give it first decoration. Let me have it as box decoration with box shadow, box shadow with new box shadow with blur radius as, let me give it as 15. Okay. After that, let me have gradient. This is where you will be giving multiple colors for that. Let me have it as linear gradient. Okay. Linear gradient has, first let me have begin, where it should begin. Okay. It should begin from the alignment dot top left, from that till it should end where alignment dot bottom right. Okay, align it. Okay, later that we shall give the color for that app bar, which is the color with color of, I'm gonna give some hex value. Okay, with ff 4f100. Okay, next another color which again accepts the value, which is ff2508 gain ff. So after that, let's end the container. Once the container is over, we having bottom which accepts the preferred size. Okay, preferred size is, let me give it as new size with values 75 and again 75. Okay, after that, as usual, it has a child which is the new container. Okay, which accepts the new container value with child. Before that, I shall be giving width for the container. The width is, I'm gonna give it as 350 for now. So the child it has is the new tab bar itself. Okay, the tab bar accepts the tab. So inside that tab, let us give a container. The container does have a height 55 for my instance. Okay, container usually have a child which is the new tab. The new tab has the text you want to display. Okay, let me give it as category. Okay, once this is done, you can copy this and paste it 3 times, because you have given the length as 3 before, so you can have 3 containers. Let us change this as market and this as exports. Okay, so here ends the development of that app bar. Okay, so thanks for watching. Let's just have keep in touch to get the latest update regarding this app completion. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye.